Pratley Quickset Putty is an exceptionally high-strength, hand-moldable, quick-setting putty-like adhesive. Pratley Quickset Putty adheres to most rigid materials like concrete and cement, wood, metals, and can withstand most chemicals, mild acids, oil, and petrol. Let's take a look at the properties for Pratley Quickset Putty. It can be shaped and molded by hand, making it easy to use and task-specific. Once set, it can be filed and sanded, resulting in a smooth finish. It can be painted. And it can be drilled once fully set. Some suggested uses for Pratley Quickset Putty include repairing car radiators and engine sumps, replacing and repairing broken handles and knobs, repairing or mending metal watering cans and garden implements, refitting loose screws in walls, Pratley Quickset Putty should be applied within 8 minutes of mixing. It sets hard in approximately 15 minutes and reach 75% strength in 4 hours. Pratley Quickset Putty will reach full strength in 24 hours. Surfaces to be bonded must be free of loose dirt, rust, paint, oil, and grease. This will allow for optimal adhesion. Wire brushing or sanding will enhance adhesion to smooth surfaces. Place the sticks side by side and without removing the wrapping, cut simultaneously equal amounts of each stick with a sharp knife. Remove the wrapping from the cut parts. Now roll the putty into a sausage between the palm of your hands whilst applying pressure. Fold the sausage and roll it into a ball. Repeat the process until an even color is reached without any streaks. Apply by dabbing and wiping onto the application surfaces. This process is called wetting. Build up the shape as necessary. Smooth if necessary with a wet finger. Wipe off the surrounding areas and the excess with a damp cloth. Apply Pratley Quickset Putty in thick sections no less than 3 mm for maximum strength. Pratley's policy statement states, the performance of our products must exceed all others on the world market. Visit our website or social media platforms for more information.